In case you need to transport your Chord or Chord X, it is a good idea that pack it in a good way. 1. Unbind the bike. If you need to return the bike, please unbind the bike with your app. 2. Disassemble the bike. Disassemble the bike in the following order as shown. Take off the battery. Take off the tail light. Take out the seat post and the clamp, be careful not to loose it. Remove the seat post cover from the seat post. Next, remove the pedals using the 6mm hex wrench, turn it towards the back of the bike. Then remove the front fender. Remember to screw all the screws back onto the fork. Now, let's take off the handlebar and the smart bar box. Loosen the screw of the smart bar box using the 2.5mm hex wrench. Pull the cable out gently and unplug the cables. Unscrew the clamping screw and loosen the stem screw using the 5mm hex wrench. Pull up the handlebar. Put back the protective house and the cover. Screw back the clamping screw. Next, detach the front wheel. Release the quick release device from the front wheel. Take off the front wheel and put the front fork on the floor gently. Screw the cap and the spring back on the device. Put the protection plate on the dropout, brake clipper, and the front wheel. Take off the kickstand, screw the screws back onto the kickstand. Loosen the screw on the frame that holds the rear fender in place, pull it out of the frame. Apply the protective material onto the bike. Next, put the bike back into its box. Collect front wheel into its original box. Slide the front wheel into the box on the wider side of the frame. Collect all the tools and accessories into its original box. slide the battery, accessories box, kickstand and seat post in, one by one. Close the box, and you have complete the procedure, and please tight the outside of the box firmly so it don't fall out when it transport. For more help, please contact support@URTOPIA.com.